put an end to disorder and chaotic states in your workshop. Our extremely durable workshop trolley shows you the difference between quality and cheap products. 8 drawers mounted on ball-bearing slide rails ensure sufficient storage space for your tools. The smooth-running drawers are fully extendable, allowing you to reach everything comfortably. The drawers are individually secured, and the integrated pull-out catch prevents the drawers from slipping out. 4 heavy-duty ball-bearing casters are available for easy transportation, 2 of which can be swiveled and are equipped with a brake. The lockable central lock also provides security against unauthorized access. The trolley is filled with a number of useful tools with which to perfectly handle a variety of situations in your workshop. The inserts contain ratchet and socket sets in different sizes and attachments, adapters and extensions, a COB LED work light, ratchet ring open-end spanners as well as combination spanners, assorted grip pliers, an array of bits and bit sockets, screwdrivers and double ring spanners, machinists and stoning hammers and various pliers, and a variety of tire service tools. All tools are sorted in high-quality foam inserts that are precisely fitted into the 8 extendable drawers. The practical worktop is designed as a storage surface and can optionally be equipped with the BGS toolbox. A workshop trolley with style and elegance for a professional appearance.